welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something really exciting. Together we're going to be creating a makeup look using the Tartelette Toasted palette. So it's this one right here. I bought it at Sephora not too long ago, so I haven't had a chance to use it yet because I was saving it to create a makeup look. This palette came with this little instruction guide right here, so it shows you two different looks that you can create. So I decided that together we could create this one down here. Don't mind the scab on my face right there. I got waxed the other day and it was painful, and clearly they went a little bit too hard and took a bit of my skin off. You know what they say, beauty is pain, literally. I mean, this is not supposed to happen, but it's okay, it's healing. So just let's ignore that right there. So we're gonna start off with foundation. I'm using the NARS foundation. It's NARS Sheer Glow. I'm almost done, so if you guys have any recommendations of any other foundations that I could use, let me know, because I'm looking to switch it up. I really like NARS, but I just want to try something new, see what else is out there. I kind of want to try out the Makeup Forever foundation. So if you guys have tried that one before, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of it and if you guys would recommend. So we're just gonna go in with the foundation. And then we're gonna go in with the beauty sponge and just pat it all out. Now I've already like prepped and primed my face, so that's why I'm going straight in with the foundation. If you guys are interested in seeing like a skincare routine, let me know in the comments below, and I can film that for you guys next. Okay, so once we're done with the foundation portion, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier primer for my eyes. So I just like to put on a little dab on the eyelid, just to make sure that the eyeshadow is going to last me for the duration of my day. And then I'm going to go in with concealer. Now I like to go in triangular motions because I just feel like it makes your makeup look nicer once it's all done. And then just a little bit right under my eyebrow. I also feel like it's better, like this just creates a better coverage for your look. I don't know about you guys, but when I do my makeup, I make the weirdest faces, and right now I'm trying not to because I don't want to scare you guys, but yeah, like I tend to like really make the weirdest faces when I'm doing my makeup. So it's actually quite a challenge right now. You may have noticed in my past makeup videos, and if you haven't, then maybe you guys should go check them out. Okay, so once I'm done with my concealer, I'm going to move on to my eyebrows, and then we can move on to the eyeshadow. Okay, so for my eyebrows, I'm going in with the Kat Von D, Shade Light Eye palette, and with this shade right here. So I'm just gonna brush them out. A really thin angled brush like this one. I'm just gonna dab the brush into the color and then just tap it off. And then I'm gonna go in, starting with like outlining my eyebrows from the top and then moving towards like the beginning of my eyebrow right there. I like to try to keep my eyebrows looking as natural as possible. I don't like that like really dark eyebrow, like really bold looking. I don't know, it's just me. I like my eyebrows to look natural, so this is just how I like to do them. I also find that when I start outlining them from the top, it helps to create that natural look, and then it just makes them look more fuller. Also, like, don't worry about making your eyebrows look perfectly the same. I mean, they're not supposed to technically look the same. They're not supposed to be Wait, actually, what is that? Is it, they're not supposed to be sisters, they're supposed to be cousins? They're supposed to be cousins, not sisters. I don't know. The point is that they're not supposed to look perfectly equally the same. It's okay if one is a little off than the other. I mean, that being said, don't go crazy and make one look like completely different. Just get them as close as possible. There we go. And then to just hold them in place, I go in with my Benefit Gimme Brow Gel in the number 3. And then I just brush out like starting from the middle to the end corners. This helps to just keep them in place, and then it also helps to just give it more of that fuller look effect. We are going to put on some translucent powder right under my eye. I like to do this and then just leave it there to, you know, bake while I put my eyeshadow on top. I just also find that, say, like when I'm putting on my eyeshadow, if any excess products falls, I can just dust it off once I take off the translucent powder. We're going to start by applying the color Sunset all over the lid. Shimmery, sort of golden color. So I'm gonna really focus on the middle because I feel like that's probably where this tone is really supposed to show. So next, we are going to blend the color Latte into the crease as a transition shade, and then starting at the outer corner and blending inward. So we're gonna start from here and then blend inward of the eye. So Latte looks like this right here. So up next, we're going to mix Warmth and Cozy and buff it into the outer corner and up into the crease. Okay, gotcha. So Warmth and Cozy this is Warmth right here, and this is Cozy right there. We are going to define the lower lash line with Flame. This color right here. There you go. And then just take this brush and just buff that out. This also helps with it not to look too harsh. There you go. Okay, and then we're going to apply Candle into the inner corner to brighten up the eye. Yes, that's what we want. We want to make our eyes look alive. So we're just going to put that in the inner corners right there. And that's this shimmery color right there. After that, we're going to highlight the brow bone with the color S'more. So S'more is just the first color right here. Just brush that off. Now we're gonna move on to the cheeks. So I'm gonna go in with Hoola. And I like to start in like tapping motions and then I blend that out. And I like to blend upwards. And then I bring that color up to the temples here and right here where my hairline begins, and just blend that out there. I just leave it as it is, so whatever excess is left over of the bronzing powder, I use that to just put it on the edge of my nose there, because I don't like it to look too harsh. I want it to look like a natural look, so that's why I don't dip it back in there, and then I just go like that, right on the edge. You know, bring out those features. And apply my blush. So I'm going in with the Coralista by Benefit. It just helps to bring in a little bit more color to your face. And I like to apply a little bit on the tip of my nose. So I'm starting off with a liquid highlight. This one is by Becca in Opal. And then here I just use my finger to blend that out. With the same color by Becca in Opal, but this time I'm going in with the powder version. Gotta finish the eyes, so we have to do the lashes, can't forget about that, and then the lips, and then we are done. I like to start off by curling my eyelashes first, just because my eyelashes sort of go straight out and we want them to be curled up. So we're gonna just go in with this and we're gonna curl them up. Here's a little trick I do that I'm gonna tell you guys. So if you still want to have that fuller lash effect, and then sort of have like that cat eye look, but you don't want to put on like a full set of fake lashes, you could still do that. So what I do is I buy the lash extensions and then I just cut off like the ends of the lashes, and then I get just this little piece right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then I use that and just apply it at the end corners of my eye, and that helps you to achieve that fuller lash look, while you still don't have to put on the full lash, and it looks more natural and it gives you that cat eye appearance. So I'm just gonna go in and do that, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, okay, so the lashes are on now. So as you can see, it gives you a fuller effect, but it doesn't give you like that full on glam lash look if you're looking for a more natural day-to-day look. Lip time. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite lip color at the moment. It's the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Venus. So it's that one right there. And then I'm going to use my MAC lip liner in Whirl. The finished look. I actually really like how it turned out. Definitely would recommend the palette. All the colors are like super pretty. They all go well together and they're like really well pigmented, as you can see like on the eye look, but like I'll show you guys here. Yeah, you could see like all the colors are like very well pigmented. So I would highly recommend getting the Tartelette Roasted palette if you are looking to get another palette that has like those warm like red tones. Definitely get this one. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe as well, so you guys can see more videos like this one. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought about this video, what your thoughts were on the palette, and what kind of videos you guys want me to release out next. That's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.